Hello YouTube. I was gonna make this video because something crossed my mind about Lionel. It's something that, in my opinion, needs to be brought back pronto. It's actually my favorite Lionel piece of all time. I have wanted one of these bad boys from as far back as I can remember. When I first saw this thing, I think I was in 7th grade. Of course, it's the Lionel missile launching locomotive. You've got the 44 Army, which is the blue one. Then you've got the 45 Marines, which is like an olive drab green color. And then you've got the 99, which is a like a green color. That's U.S. Army. Now, there was cataloged two others. There was a white number 46 that was like, I think, U.S. Air Force. And then there was a Operation Eagle Justice train one that also had this sound car that was in camouflage, like a digital camo. It was the Operation Eagle. But those two, the Air Force one, which was the Minuteman one, and the Operation Eagle Justice one, apparently they got canceled. I remember wanting those back in they were in the 2015 Volume 1 catalog, and I wanted those so bad. And I waited and I waited and I waited until they came out, hoping for them to come out. And I found out about a few years ago, I asked about them. I said, were these made? Because I can't find them anywhere. And somebody on the Oak forum said they were canceled. I don't know why they were canceled. Maybe they weren't Pullmore equipped. That's the rumor that I heard. That because they had a CAN motor in them, people didn't want them. But they put CAN motors in everything now, so it shouldn't be a problem now. Anyway, I'm just saying that they need to be brought back. At least, I don't care if you do a freaking G.I. Joe train set. Bring back the missile launcher locomotive. I need one. I need to get me one of those suckers. Just in case Putin decides to bust down my door, I can deliver him a painful, I aim for the eyes. Freaking, I really want one of them things to guard my model train layout from the forces of evil. For that missile launcher, the missile launching locomotive, I probably would have gotten the Operation Eagle Justice. And I would have definitely gotten that one. I don't know about the Minuteman one, but I definitely loved the Operation Eagle Justice. I love that camouflage job. Now, there was an Operation Eagle Justice set, and that was made. In fact, one of my hobby shops, last time I went, still had one for $450, but I didn't have enough money, so I had to pass up on it. Hopefully they still have it. There's another one of my holy grails. But anyway, I just wanted those things to be made, and I want the LIONEL missile launching locomotive to come back. It's a long enough hiatus, and I think it should come back. And I think that's going to be my number one wish for this year's Volume 2 catalog, is for the LIONEL missile launching locomotive to come back. And that's my public service announcement. This is Allegheny City Productions, and I thank you for watching.